Good morning, children. In this video we are going to learn about the coal and the petroleum conservation. Coal and petroleum, they are the fossil fuels which are found in Earth's crust and they serve as a major source of energy, but they are non-renewable and exhaustible resources. Coal is a combustible fossilized rock which is derived from a large accumulation of plant remains that is gradually compressed. Here you can see the coal, the plant remains, they are being compressed at the lower level, and due to very high heat, pressure, and when they are being buried for a very long time, it results in the formation of coal. Coal is used for cooking, heating in industry and in thermal power plants. Petroleum is another fossil fuel that occurs in the form of liquid oil. It has been formed in the past about 10 to 20 crore years old from plant and animal remains and occurs in the form of mineral oil in sedimentary rocks. The petroleum is mainly used as a fuel for transport, agricultural operations, generators, and some industries. Here you can see the tiny marine plants and animals died and were buried on the ocean floor, and over time the marine plants and animals were covered by the layer of silt and sand, and over millions of years the remains were buried deeper and deeper, and the enormous heat and pressure turned the remains into oil and the natural gas. And today we drill down the layers of the sand, silt and rock to reach the rock formations that contain the oil and the natural gas deposits. So which are the different methods of conservation of these fossil fuels? Burning of coal, it causes air pollution. So here the direct use of the coal for the purpose of burning should be avoided. Coal may be converted into liquid fuel or can be compressed into natural, that is, it can be converted into compressed natural gas, that is the CNG, through coal gasification, and then we can use it for our purposes. And there should be techniques which should be developed to recover maximum fossil fuel that lies in the deep mines and wells. And the wastage which happens during the extraction of these coals and mines and transportation, it should be avoided. And here both the oil wells and the coal mines are very prone to catch fire. So these should be well protected from fire to avoid wastage, pollution and loss of life and property. And also the overconsumption of oil in automobiles, it should be checked. We must save oil for the future use because it is an exhaustible resource, it is a non-renewable resource, and only few years are left for its depletion. And one of the very important way to conserve these sources are using alternative sources of energy, like the hydroelectric energy, nuclear energy, solar energy, wind power and the biogas plants. So we can see that we can use these alternate sources of energy and try to conserve these exhaustible, non-renewable sources of energy. Here are some of the steps for the conservation of energy resources. First, save electricity, water by not using when not required. Use energy efficient electric appliances to save electricity. We can use pressure cooker for cooking food instead of directly cooking it on the in the tawa on top of the gas stove. We can use solar cookers, and you can encourage the use of biogas as our domestic fuel. Even the fuel efficient motor vehicles should be designed to reduce the consumption of petrol and the diesel. Thank you.